Why is WordPress bad and why is everyone saying that? Watch this video to find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Amanda. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. If you don't already subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. It's my mission to help you make more money with your business using the internet. So in today's video, we're talking about why is everyone talking about why is WordPress so bad? Why is it so bad to use WordPress in 2019 for your business? Well, there's a couple of different reasons, and if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to give you a brand new tool that will not only complement your WordPress website, but will help you increase your sales for your business online. So the first reason why a lot of people are saying that WordPress is bad is because it's expensive to upkeep it, especially if you don't have the technical know-how. You've got to pay your developer, you've got to pay your host, you've got to pay all of that domain registration, all that stuff, right? You have to keep all of that in line, and if you're not doing it, guaranteed you're paying someone else to do it, and you're probably paying them a premium. And if you're not paying them a premium, then you might not have the best WordPress website that you can possibly have. It might be slow, it might not be mobile responsive, all that kind of stuff. Now, in addition to this, the second reason why WordPress is bad is because unless you know coding and you're a developer and you know all that stuff, it's going to be harder for you to be able to create the style that you want and manage all that. So again, you're spending money on your developer helping you do all that stuff. Now, I know it's been a while since WordPress first came out and it's evolved over time, and there's a lot of different plugins and tools that help you drag and drop and make all that stuff happen. But remember that, the more stuff you add into your WordPress website, the slower it becomes, and that's going to kill you in 2019 because of mobile. Okay, mobile is huge right now. You have to make sure that your website is 100% mobile responsive and that it's fast on mobile, okay? The third thing is that it's really hard to make an amazing sales funnel for your website on WordPress, through WordPress. So let me know in the comments below, do you have a sales funnel built into your WordPress website? Or do you at least have some place where you can collect leads on your website? Let me know in the comments below and let me know what technique you're using. Just to kind of show you how that all plays out, I kind of drew out a little diagram so you can kind of see the difference between your regular WordPress website and a sales funnel. So if you look at the regular WordPress website, your links kind of lead the client all over the place, right? There's no clear direction on how you make the sale or how your customer gets to that point of sale, right? Whereas if you look at the sales funnel, it's a lot more simple. You lead the client step by step through a series of pages that can only end in a sale. So as you know, the online world is massively competitive now, and so having that sales funnel in place is key to being successful. Now, there is one reason why I say that WordPress is not bad, and that would be to blog and create textual content. And I do use this technique in my business website. The fourth reason why WordPress is bad is security. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen business owners' WordPress website get hacked or injected with scripts that are malicious, all this crazy stuff. And it's simply because if you're not paying someone to keep it up to date on the regular, or you're not doing it yourself, guaranteed there's going to be security flaws in your WordPress website. So this is a huge downside. It is definitely something that you could fix easily, but if you're running a business, that could be something that is on the back burner, way at the back. So super important to keep that kind of stuff in mind. Now that you've watched to the end of the video, Thank you. I have an awesome tool for you that I think you might like because it will complement not only your WordPress website, if you have one, and if you don't have one, you can create one super easily, and you can also create the amazing sales funnel, and that is with this software called ClickFunnels. Now, I actually transitioned my web development business into a marketing business because I realized from creating all of these WordPress websites, the key item missing for most of business owners and online presence is the marketing. And that is exactly where the sales funnel comes into place. And ClickFunnels is the best tool available to help you with that. So in the description below, there is a link so you can grab ClickFunnels, and I'm gonna throw in some extra bonuses for you just for using that link below my video here. So go ahead and grab that. And if you found this video useful, please make sure you hit the like button and share it with your colleagues. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.